Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have a huge box in front of me. This is Decor Steals brand new Steal It box. It's launching right now. First ones, I was given this as an influencer to share with you guys, and I'm really intrigued to see what's in there. I've never really shopped on Decor Steals, so I've never dove into playing on that site much, but I did once I got this box to be kind of like, what's going on? What's new? So let's dive in and see what is the Decor Steals Steal It box all about. Okay, this box is a quarterly box. It is $99.99, so it's $100 a quarter, but you're supposed to get $350 plus in value. That would make each item about $14.29 because you're supposed to get 7 never seen before items in each box. They do have an add-on shop you can shop in, which I guess is where the Decor Steals site overlaps with them. But the perk of being, I guess, a Steal It box member is that you get everything shipped to you for a flat rate of $5 shipping, which is pretty cool. They do have the style guide, which is what I'm guessing is inside here. This is not a postcard, it's a hug for you. But then the back of it's a postcard. So this talks about the add-on shop and what is in this summer add-on shop. And it has the QR code for us to be able to scan to see the summer style guide. So this is the summer box. I'm excited. I'm nervous. Like, I love home decor. Y'all know I have home decor subscription boxes as like my thing. A tablecloth. So is that the back of the... Oh, no, okay, yeah. It's just a faded print. Okay, so it's a faded print tablecloth. This is just half of it. It's pretty long, and it's got the black and white tassels on the end. What is the material? This is super rough, like super, super rough. Polyester and cotton. Okay, spot clean only. Okay, this is cute. I think that's cute, and it looks like it is a good size. It would actually fit a real table, which... Come to find out, I've learned that that isn't always the case. Oh, it says Home Sweet Home. This is gonna be hard for you guys to see. And it's just a wall hanger. You might be able to set it on a shelf, but it's a little Home Sweet Home wall decor, which coordinates with this. Hey, here we go. Look at there, looky there. It's funny what happens when I just sit and think for a sec. So there's that guy. Okay, that's cute. I guess it's a vase. It's really beat up. Like, I don't... Are we supposed to finish it? I don't know. Okay, it's just unfinished. I guess you could stain it to whatever you wanted or paint it to whatever you wanted. This would, I guess, be an item that you would have to finish out. It's just really dinged up. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, let's get going. It's a half a pot. That's cute, I think. So like, look, there's 2 in here. If you put them together, it makes a whole pot. So I'm guessing these are stands for them. Yeah, they stand good. So I guess this could be just plain decor, or it could be bookends. I have not looked at the Steal It how-to style thing. I got my box a little bit early. The QR code is not active yet, so I am opening all this blind. I have not seen the style card. I don't know if this is the style it's supposed to be or if it's beat up. It's the same thing as this piece. It's got all the dings in it, and this has scratches. Look at the front of this. Maybe you guys, somebody else could let me know. Both of them. If it's the style, it's not my style. I'm not digging it. But maybe it just got beat up in shipping. I don't know. I was really excited about this, and now I'm honestly like... Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay. Are they trays? No. They're stands. They're just... I pulled them out upside down. All right, these are really cool. 2 stands are risers. You can see these guys here. They have a black base. So the next thing I'm noticing is my wood tones don't match, which is fine. I don't like when things are matchy-matchy. I like to coordinate. But these clash, in my opinion. And I've got the black, the gray, the black. So something I'm noticing is this just might not be my style. If you guys have been around here at all, you know I've been a decorator for years. Their stuff is my style. I love the stuff they do. Boxes hit spot on every time. So I'm spoiled. I'm unboxing this as a spoiled influencer. But I have to say, this was sent to me as an influencer. They asked me to unbox this. And I feel like the items are kind of beat up. I don't know. These are cute though. This is my favorite by far, this set right here. I could use these in my home. This has me intrigued. I know when I go back to edit this, I'm gonna be like, Samantha, control your face. This looks like a dollar store tree. All the other things I can deal with. Y'all, can you see the paper wrapping? There is chunks of glue all in here. The leaves are not a good quality. I would legit expect to pick this up at the dollar store for like $1. Maybe if it's in the super fancy section for $5. I'm feeling so sad right now. And I'm looking here. This is the summer box. Shades of summer box. This stuff doesn't seem summery to me at all. It seems not summer. Summer, I think of like this, lighter woods, brighter elements, and something that speaks that when I look at it, I think summer. None of this speaks summer to me at all. And I am like full-fledged into the light woods and the spring colors and the summer colors. And this item is huge. I'm sorry. This item is huge. I'm gonna set it down here and pull it out. Okay. This is the coolest item in the entire box. This is a mirror. And this is super cute. I am super digging this. But can y'all see the top? Yep. The quality on this is good. Oh, well, it's broke right there. But I think I can, this part that's broke right there, I can just glue it back on and nobody would ever notice that. Okay, so where did we end? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it said 7 items. They actually over-delivered with 8. So that makes it about, what, $12 per item because the box is $100. Do I think I got $100 worth of stuff out of this box that I would use? I will not use, definitely will not use any of these. There is a slight chance I'll use the Home Sweet Home in the runner. So these are gonna be my maybes. These are my absolute no's. And these are my yeses. Do I think that these 4 items are worth $100? Yes, I do. You're getting to see everything in advance, so that really, really helps. And if this box is more your style, like if this is more your style, then this is gonna be a huge win for you. If you like this box, you can go below and sign up. All coupon information and details to sign up will be down there. This is their first box, so we can see where they go from here. If you're already a Decor Steals fan, this stuff might be more familiar to you and you may already be vibing with it. Okay, I feel super torn. This is exactly what happened to me when I did Daily Look. I ordered Daily Look and I was like nervous, excited, unboxed it, and I just didn't really care for it. So I kind of feel like this like high, but I'm also a little bit let down. I don't know. If I get these things styled, I'll put it on my Instagram. You can check it out there. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing day and I'll see you guys later. Bye y'all.